Did you know 85% of people admit they lose interest once someone starts chasing too hard? Shocking, right? I am Cleopatra, and I ruled not by chasing, but by being chased. Today, I'll show you why pursuit kills desire and how to flip the game in your favor. Here's the truth. When you chase someone, you tell them, "I need you more than you need me." And nothing drains attraction faster than desperation. So what should you do instead? Focus on yourself. Build confidence. Grow your life. Make them notice you're busy becoming the best version of you. Attraction is like fire. If you smother it, it dies. But if you step back, it burns brighter. Because here's the royal secret. People don't chase love. They chase value. And when you become the prize, they'll run after you like I had kings and generals at my feet. So stop chasing, start living. If they return, they're yours. If not, you've already won because you've leveled up. Tell me in the comments, have you ever chased someone and lost them? And if you want more royal secrets of love, subscribe now because Cleopatra never runs. She reigns.